Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix product not showing on home page in Shopify. So if your Shopify products are not appearing on your home page, you'll have to follow these options to fix your problem. Number one is checking the product's visibility. Navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to products, then click on the missing product. Under product status, make sure it is set to active. You will see the active button just right here at the top. You can click on three-dotted icon, click on manage sales channels and also choose online store just right here. Make sure it is selected online store, then click on done. And that would instantly fix your problem. Now, step 2 is adding products to homepage collection. Navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to products, navigate to collections and click the collection shown on your home page. And here you can also click on create collection and choose to create a collection for your home page if it's new, or you can click on the collection that is already existing, then click on add product. You can also cut this product. Now search for any product that you have, then click on add and that would add your product. Then you can click on save button and that would instantly fix your problem. Now, step 3 is checking your homepage section. Navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to online store, then navigate to theme, then navigate to customization. Now, find the featured collection section. So, this is featured collection. Click there and select the correct collection that contains your product. So, you'll have to click on collection option and choose to replace it, or you can also remove a collection. Make sure the correct collection is selected here. Now, step 4 is verifying the product's inventory. Go back from this page, navigate to products, click on the product, then under inventory, ensure that the stock is available and not 0. So you can see here it is currently 0. I'll have to enter 5 or any number that is greater than 0 and that could instantly fix your problem. Now, step 5 is clearing cache and testing. You'll have to click on three-dotted icon at the top right of a store, then click on settings. Now, navigate to privacy search and services, scroll down, click on choose what to clear. Make sure you select the option that says cookies and other site data, then click on clear now. And that could instantly fix your problem. So, these were the ways through which you can fix your problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.